Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the accounting class. Yeah, today we have this problem. Okay, a company named Lexington Corporation. Okay, that sold some merchandises on credit. Okay, the value mhm, of the invoice is okay $88,000, but they give to the customer a 2% discount. Okay, on the purchase if the customer made a payment within 10 days. Otherwise, they will have to pay, if they fail to make the payment within 10 days, they will have to pay the entire value of the invoice. Okay. You might have heard sometimes, company who sold merchandises at the on credit, they have something called 210 net 30. Okay. Meaning, okay, if you pay within 10 days, you benefit 2%. You have 2% discount. Otherwise, you can pay the entire value of the invoice within 30 days. So I suspect this is the same thing that happened to this that is here with this company. Now, but we know for this company, the customer didn't pay fully the $88,000 that they of the purchase. They only paid 46,000 within the discounted period. So we are asked here to determine, after this payment, what is the amount of money that the customer still owe to Lexington Corporation. And we are given these answer choices. Okay. Now, before we start, we have to, okay, lay down, okay, what we know. Value of the invoice, 88,000. The discount is 2% within 10 days. And the customer only paid $46,000 within that period. First things we're going to do, okay, what is the if the customer had paid 88 the entire value of the invoice, what would be the value of the discount value? Okay, the discount value, so we know it's going to be 88,000 minus time 2%. Okay, so this is the value, okay, of the invoice, of the discount, 1760. Now we know 1750 is the total discount if the payment were made within 10 days for the entire invoice value. Okay, so what would be the discounted value of that invoice? This one, 1760, is 2% of 88. What is the value? What is the 98% value? Okay, Okay. Okay, so that would be 88,000 minus 1760, which would give us, okay, 86 420. Okay, this is the value the customer would have to pay if everything was paid. But we know that didn't happen. He only paid 46,000. Okay, so $86,000 of payment on $88,000 invoice. How much is covered by that 46,000? The payment of 46,000. Okay, we know that the 46,000, since $46,000 was a payment was sent within that a period of 10 days, 46,000 must be 98% of the value, okay, paid. Okay, so of the amount paid. Okay, so let's call that amount X. 46,000 divided by 0.98. 46,000 divided by 0.98, which is 46 938.78. By making that payment of $46,000 within the discounted period, in reality, the customer paid 46,000 of the value of the invoice. Whatever is beyond 46,938, okay, would have to be paid in its entirety, because that amount, the remaining payment will not be covered by will not be made within the discounted period. Therefore, okay, the remaining value owed, okay, by the customer would be 88,000 minus 46,938.78, which is, okay, minus 88,123, okay, which is 41,061.22. So this is what the customer have to pay. This is the balance, okay, of what the customer owes. So therefore, the answer is 41,000. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so sometimes it's easy when the customer pay with the invoice fully within the discounted period. But when that doesn't happen, so they have a balance. So it create it, I mean, it can create some problems. So you, once you know how to make those calculations, you'll be able to solve the problem, and you'll be able to determine the remaining value of that invoice easily. Okay, so this is the answer. So, and I hope you know you like it. You like the you understand the solution, and you can make some practice on your own. And please like and subscribe on this channel, and please make your comment. And if you have questions, please send me those questions. Email me. Okay, and so that's all that I have for today. And see you in the next video. Thank you.